Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive your payouts from Whop. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for whop.com. Now once you are on Whop, you just have to simply log in into your account. Now by default, you will be on this home page, but you will have to simply hover over to the left hand section and click on your profile. Now here in your profile, you will see the payment methods option. So once you click on the payment methods, it will show you the option of adding your payment method. Now if you click on the balance option, you will see all of your balance here, and your deposit and your withdrawal transactions will be visible here. Now before actually withdrawing your money, before actually getting that money in your bank account, it is asking you to set up your payment account to get paid fast. So once you click on set up Whop payment, it will ask you to select your country. So you need to select your country from this list, and then you need to press next. On the next page, you will be redirected on Stripe, where you just have to simply log in into your Stripe account, and then you just have to start the onboarding process. So this way you can basically start receiving your money from Whop. If you want to add the payment method, you just have to tap on the add payment method option, provide your card details, then select your country or your region, and then you just have to simply click on the save option. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.